Copyright disclaimer. How to kill bed bugs with Dettol and Detergent. You can kill bed bugs with help of the following things. 1. Water. 2. Dettol. 3. Detergent or washing powder. And 4. Spray bottle with a nozzle. Also, you can use a funnel to drop water easily into the bottle. At first, open the spray bottle and put a funnel on it. Take 1 tablespoon of washing powder or detergent. Add 1 tablespoon of Dettol with it. Then drop 1 cup of normal water into the bottle. Close the nozzle and shake the bottle to mix the solution well and thoroughly. Now it's ready to spray on bedbug infestation. Search for live bedbugs and their eggs and spray them whenever necessary. Kill them as fast as possible. That's all. Thanks for staying with us. We request 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.